Hello. Today I will be going over a tutorial on how to use Symbaloo. Symbaloo is a great free resource management tool used to organize and share websites. The first thing we need to do is go to the Symbaloo website. Here we have a variety of web mixes. Web mixes are a collection of tiles, and in each tile it contains an embedded link. The links can lead to either websites or other web mixes. As you can see, these tiles can be useful for grouping websites with a similar focus. Imagine being able to group all the websites you use on a daily basis, and then being able to share these groups with any of your work colleagues. The first thing you'll need to do in order to use Symbaloo is to create an account. Creating an account is optional, though by creating an account, you will be able to save your own personal web mixes. In order to create the account, first select Create Account in the top right corner of your window. Next, select the appropriate category. For this tutorial, since we're doing a free tutorial, I will be selecting the Personal Account category. From here, select the Create a Personal Account button and follow the instructions to create your account. You may also sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Since I have already created an account, I'll just sign into mine. Now that I have signed into my account, I will be going over how to create your very own custom web mixes. First thing you need to do is select the plus button in the top center of your screen. Here, you can choose to either start your web mix from scratch or search for a template or pre-made web mix. For this tutorial, I will be creating a completely new web mix. First, enter your title and do not select the button for the RSS only. Now that we have our empty web mix, it's time to add our tiles. In order to add a tile, select any of the empty tile spaces. This will bring up the tile editor. Within the tile editor, there are three main ways we can add tiles to our web mix. The first method is to search for it. Search is the quickest and easiest way to add a tile if you are already sure what you are looking for. Just type into the search bar and select the tile that you need. By selecting the tile in the tile editor, you will instantly add the tile to your web mix. The next method of adding a tile is to browse for a category. Once again, activate the tile editor and select the last category, Browse Titles by Category. From here, you will select a category and then select a subcategory. Once again, all you need to do to add the tile is just select the one in the tile editor. By selecting it and clicking Add to my web mix, this tile will instantly be added to your own web mix. The last option is to create a tile. First, activate the tile editor again and select Create a Tile. From here, you will need to enter the address of the website that you are trying to reach with the tile. So in our case, we'll try Fox. And once you've hit enter, it will try an attempt to bring up relevant images for the tile. Now, as you can see, some of them won't be perfect, so you can actually scale them to create the tile yourself. You select Use Selection to Tile, and ta-da! Now we have our custom tile for Fox News. And we will click Save, and now it has added the tile to our web mix. During the last part of this tutorial, I will be showing how to share your custom web mixes with others. First thing you'll need to do is select the share icon and select the first option that's available, Create a Shareable Link. Make sure that your web mix has a title and a description of the theme of your web mix. Below, you'll notice a section for your web mix's tags. As you'll notice, Khan Academy, Brain Pop, Math, Stream, and others have already been added to the relevant tags. These are based off of all the tiles that we've added earlier. So any tiles you've added will automatically show up in the related words to help people be able to search your webmix if you make it public. The last section down here, the public, available in a gallery, or private section, will allow you to either make your webmix searchable by others using the related tags above, or to only be privately shared with your friends. Once you've selected your selection, click Share My Webmix, and you'll be provided with a link. This link will lead anyone to your custom webmix, and you can share this link via email. You can embed it in hyperlinks, basically any way you would usually share a link on social media. Alright, well that wraps up this tutorial for the basics of how to set up and use a Symbaloo account. Remember, Symbaloo is a great resource management tool for organizing and sharing your websites, and most of all, it's a free tool.